Fiona, and my final project is from the Icon one, and its name is called the Legendary Battle. My idea was inspired by the miraculous ladybug because they're the miraculous ladybug is a videotape from Disney, and they battle any Kumin-test villain until they turn back to normal. I learned about during class I learned about the loops and if statements which are used in my project. The red that you see are loops. If you don't get what it wants, it will keep asking until you finally got what it wants, and it will continue. The if statements are choices that what you choose from what you did to the loops. It gives you the information of after what you did to what they desire, either A or S. They give you the information from A to S, whether which one you choose. Loops, it's like loops. The only choices are A or S. You can either press A for attack or S to use the special move. And if statements, after you choose what you wanted to do, they either say you attacked from that person for how much attack damage, and whoever you attacked has how much damage they took from the attack. And S, and if you click for the special move, which is S, it's a choice of your special moves. And for player one, it's Blaster or Volcano of Hell for the attacks because she's the evil person in the boss battle. And here's the demo. I'll show you how to play it. Here's the game. And let's play. All right, the game is starting. Now we're on round one. Let's show you how to do it first. You see, player one, which is Princess Fragrance, the evil person, and player's card two, Ladybug, which is the hero of the world. Now, Princess Fragrance, since she has only 9,994 mana, she doesn't have enough mana to use S for a special move, but she can only use attack until she saved it until she has enough mana. So let's do A. Now it's just like I show you, but this time I'm not doing the loops because I did what they wanted it. Now they give the if statements because I chose A. Now Ladybug has 10,000 HP. Now Ladybug goes now. She has pretty much a lot of mana since I typed in my code, and since she has it, but I don't want to spend that much mana on it, so I'm gonna use A for attack. And yeah, I did not do the loops again because now the if statement is just popped up because I chose A for attack. Now it says you attack Princess Fragrance for 10 damage, which is the information that I told you about back in the slides. Now let's go back. Now let's go on to round two. Now, round two, Princess Fragrance also goes first. It's like a pattern for good, evil, good, evil. Yes. Now she only has 9,995 mana, which is still not enough. So we still have to do A until she gets enough mana. Now if statements. Now she still attacks Ladybug for 10 damage. Now Ladybug goes next again. She goes on, she has a lot of mana plus another mana every time they go. Still gonna save it for the last until their health is down low, but now let's still just do attack. Now, if statement just popped up, and let's go back onto the game on round 3. Now Princess Fragrance goes again another time. Now she only just needs 4 or 5, depending on my choice. So let's still just do A since she still doesn't have enough mana. Now Ladybug goes next. I still want to save it until their health bar goes low, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to do S for the water blob 1. Let's show you how much damage it takes. It's not that really much damage, it only just 13 negative HP. And let's go on to round 4. Now player 1, which is Princess Fragrance, now has only 3 or 4 more mana until she gets the attack. Let's still do the attack. Now player 2, since I spent some mana onto the water block to show you, now she has still a lot of mana. Now let's still do the A attack, and Princess Fragrance has still a little bit more HP. Round 5. Now, still Princess Fragrance goes again. Now she only has 2 more mana until she is able to get the special attack. So let's still do attack. Now, I still want to save it, but I'm going to show you the spiral attack, which is number 2. And even though it says Lila here, but I accidentally didn't change it, but it's okay. Now Princess Princess drowned 550 HP, and it's very critical. Now round 6 now. Player 1 goes first. She only has 1 more mana until she gets it. So let's still just do attack until, yeah. I'm gonna do attack because I'm waiting for the health bar to go down, so then I can show you what the all-out attack is. It's super rare. It's super powerful that I can kill 1 person at 1 shot. All right. Now Ladybug has attacked Princess Fragrance for 10 damage. Now let's move on to round 7. Now still Princess Fragrance goes again. Now she has enough mana, so now let's go to S. Let me show you the blaster. Now Ladybug burned 50 HP. Now, yeah. So now I'm still gonna do attack. Now it's round 8. I'm not gonna show you the next superpower because Stan Ladybug is already gone. So let's just do A. Now let's still do attack. Now we're on round 9. That's where the health bar is already so low that I'm able to show you. Let's just do for Princess Fragrance next. First attack. And now I'm going to show you the ultimate all-out attack, which is super powerful. Princess Fragrance is going down. The ball exploded, and now Ladybug drowned 3 million HP on Princess Fragrance. And now battle is over. Princess Fragrance gone, and Ladybug wins. So let's move back. Let's move back to the slides and slideshow. My favorite part was about working on this project. It was when the battle starts, and then in the end, and later, and one person from battling is gone or die. How do I improve my project? If I was continuously working on this project, I can add a third person, which is like separate, and they could be on Princess Fragrance side or Ladybug side, or they're just individual battling each other until like one stands out and two are gone. I'll do and I can add like an edit on Princess Fragrance puts on perfume on Ladybug, because in the video, Princess Fragrance has a special a special perfume that puts everybody hypnotized and falling under her spell. And if Ladybug is lucky, she's awake and she uses the logic key charm, which is also another powerful idea since she's super smart and she can defeat Princess Fragrance. That's another way I can add. And this is all that I have for my presentation. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next presentation for Python 2.
Good job.